Welcome. You have good relation with score and stick. Then, how to read the score? How to prepare the score? Memorizing. But first, when you open a score, every page, when you look at the score, you should be capable to hear it by seeing. You have to know what kind of sound is written there. So inner ear is very important. So you have to imagine how to do this. Take a score, be very patient. Start from lowest note, contrabassi. Look at and what is written, just one note, first note in the lowest part. Look at the dynamics. Is it piano, forte? Look at the articulation. Is it accentuated or short, long? So contrabassi, you have to imagine how would it be sounding? 8 or 10 contrabassi, or 1 or 4, whatever. But what is written, you have to try to imagine the sound. And then go to cello, or second lowest note. Imagine when you got it in your ears, when you could imagine the sound. Take it with contrabassi and celli, only the first notes, how could they sound together? And then violas, and then second violins, first violins, and then whatever it comes. So this is the way to develop your inner ear. You have to be capable to imagine the sound even when you look at the score. This is must for a choir.